Looking for the perfect dessert that's creamy, zesty, and effortlessly elegant? Let me show you how to make the ultimate lemon tiramisu, a refreshing twist on a classic favorite. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of mascarpone cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 24 ladyfingers, and the zest of 2 lemons. If you're feeling a little adventurous, add half a cup of limoncello for an extra grown-up touch. Having your ingredients prepped ahead really makes everything smoother and fills the kitchen with bright, citrusy aromas. Let's start by preparing the lemon cream. In a chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until soft peaks form. In another bowl, mix 2 cups of mascarpone cheese, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of lemon juice. Blend until everything is smooth and creamy. Now, gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture. Add the zest of 2 lemons and stir gently. The result? A fluffy, lemony filling that tastes like sunshine in every bite. Next, soak the ladyfingers. In a shallow dish, combine some lemon juice and a splash of water, or limoncello if you're using it. Dip each ladyfinger for 1 to 2 seconds, just enough to absorb the bright flavor without getting soggy. Time to layer. Place a layer of soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your dish. Then, spread half of the lemon cream mixture evenly over the top. Repeat with another layer of soaked ladyfingers and finish with the rest of the cream. Smooth the top with a spatula. For extra brightness, sprinkle a little more lemon zest right on top. If you want to get fancy, use individual dessert cups for a charming presentation. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Refrigerate your tiramisu for at least 4 hours or overnight if you can. This lets all the flavors blend beautifully and gives you perfect clean slices. When you're ready to serve, slice cleanly with a sharp knife or scoop into dessert cups. Garnish with fresh mint, lemon slices, or a dusting of powdered sugar. I love pairing it with espresso or sparkling water for a truly refreshing finish. Have leftovers? Store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 or 4 days. Just avoid freezing so that creamy texture stays just right. This lemon tiramisu is perfect for any occasion, from summer picnics and brunches to birthdays and bridal showers. You can even adapt it. Use gluten-free cookies or vegan cream cheese if needed. And there you have it, the ultimate lemon tiramisu. Light, luscious, and bursting with flavor. A refreshing way to sweeten your day and impress your guests. Be sure to check out this video for more.